Okay, this is also very nice today because it's probably DEVE-Schindler, although it's just DVD on the panel. Today on the 25th of April 2025, and this is Ydrevägen 5 stickers B here in Tranås, Jönköping County, Sweden. The best day sport class will be in backgrounds. Yeah, it's been had again. Probably the early 1990s DEVE-Schindler sign.
Yeah.
The base floor is locked up.
Yeah.
Two rights. But it's a bit slow also, I don't know, because we don't have enough time, I think.
Yeah. 2 right still.
December is 01877. But there are many updates here, so
Yeah.
yeah.
But I think we can't get only maybe 4 or something. Because codes are quite hard to find. But
Impossible also.
yeah.
But we have to try new codes.
Yeah. Inspired by Ydrevägen, maintained by Norskis.
It's only 2 steps between 4E and 1 or 3 steps.
Yeah.
Pretty silent hydraulic.
Yeah.
Yes, that's it. That's the one thing. Field architecture.
Yeah. That's